Hello. Just a minute, 03. एक minute, let me check once. Is everything good to go? Yes, that's good. Let me check once. Hello. Yeah, done. So, hi Gen X Gaming, welcome to live stream. We have one more query, like we have one query right now. So the query is, I have completed DA, so can I start for DS? Obviously, no worries. See, in DA matlab what? You might have completed SQL and Python. So for DS, just start with the AIML part and maths part. Okay? Maths means that related to the high level maths, which include probability and stats, right? And AI, ML, and maths. Okay, yes, you can start. No worries for that. But make sure when you start these two topics, make sure you keep practicing these two tools side by side. Okay? Why I am saying this? Why you should keep practicing side by side? Otherwise, you will start forgetting about the logic and techniques and all for this, right? That's what I'm saying. So, okay, we have one more query. SQL, BI, Python done. That's a good thing, bhai. That's also a good thing. So, make sure, like, at least practice any of the one topic from any of the tool on a daily basis. Okay? You should practice on a daily basis so that you do not forget the logic and techniques and all. Okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Just practice on a daily basis, at least some of the topics, not all, because see, all the topics is not possible to practice every day. At least some of the topics start practicing every day, right? Every day. Okay? So that's a good thing. You can go with the DS part, no worries for that. You can go with the DS part. So, like, anybody have any more doubts? And also one more thing, Gen X Gaming, you can ask your doubts as well. No worries for that. So, any more doubts? Just a minute, let me check. Let's see, do we have any questions right now here in the live stream? Let's check. Just hey, hi Shantu, welcome to live stream. एक मिनट. Hi Shantu, welcome to live stream. I am good. How are you? Okay, we have one more query from Gen X Gaming. Do you have any WhatsApp group or anything? I have doubts. I can ask. Earlier, I was having this Telegram group, but I don't know why they have like closed my Telegram group and chat. Means I have two groups in Telegram. One where I send the message and one chat group I was having. I don't know why they have terminated it, even though I have contact them related to this, but still no reply. uh, till date, like, until and unless the Telegram chat is not available with me in a proper way, you can just share your doubts in the mail id, right? I have my mail id, and like we do live stream. So live stream you can ask your doubts, and mail id we have. Okay, two ways you can ask your doubts, and we can help you cover up your doubts, right? Earlier I was having a telegram group, but this, I don't know why this telegram people have terminated it. I don't know why, even though we have mailed them related to the recovery part. Let's see when will it get recovered. So till that time you can just connect with me related to your doubts through live stream and through mail id. Okay. Okay, we have one more query from Shantu. Was out of town for the last few days. Good, yeah, no worries, chill. That's a good thing. You check the projects. Actually, the thing is, the projects are uploaded for the members as well. Check that out. And all the documents related to the members project are in YouTube post, right? Check that out. Okay, right? Next project will be, acha, next project, let me talk about that. Next project will be related to data science. And what things we will include? We will include API in that. Then ML part will also will be there. I mean to say, my friend is helping, one of my colleague in Amazon. He is helping me out for that. He is helping me out for the project. So next matlab March month. The March month ka project will be related to data science. So API will be there. Matlab, you will see how we fetch data directly from the APIs and all. But it will be easy to understand. Okay. ML work will be there, and whatever like details and knowledge I receive from my colleague, that only I would be able to help you, because I don't have that much idea in data science. I, although I have idea in Python, okay, but still whatever help he does, we can just share knowledge as per that basis. Okay, we can only share that much knowledge, whatever help my friend or my colleague does. Okay, and it is always related to the time. So only Saturday and Sunday he can just give me time related to the projects. Apart from that, let's see how much we can complete till date. And till date, whatever we have seen, we will have 12 requirements there. We will have 12 requirements in the project till date we have seen, and let's see how much we can cover up. But minimum I will keep 10. Minimum I will keep 10. If it is possible related to the 12 requirements, okay, we will do it. Okay? But minimum I will keep 10 requirements, at least for the members part. At least for the members part. So that's the thing. Let's see, will it be a successful thing or not? Because I am not that much aware related to the data science. So I I mean to say, I have to also learn side by side related to the data science. Then only I can make sure I can make you all understand related to the project. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, we have one more query. Yeah, I am aware of it. We'll give you the feedback as well. Chalo, thank you bhai, thank you for this. So anybody have any more doubts in the live stream? Just a minute, let me check. estimate like chalo, anybody have any doubt they can ask, no worries for it. Just ask your doubts related to SQL, related to uh, Python for data analytics, related to Power BI. Whatever knowledge I have, I can help you out in this, right? So let's so in that meanwhile, let's continue with the assignments. Okay. Earlier we had started assignment number 5 yesterday. So let's start with the assignment. Okay. So chalo, what's in assignment number 5? Write a query to print employee name and their supervisor name. Okay. So in this assignment we will cover self join. Mostly we will be covering self join topics and CTAs and subqueries as well. So let's start with the assignment work. Okay, we have one more query. Let me check that out. My bro is about to complete his degree. Okay, so I have asked him to take a course or refer YouTube. Can you give me a roadmap for software related to SDs? I would say I don't have that much idea, but yeah, one thing I can say, these are all evergreen domain, or I would say evergreen department, or evergreen skill development kind of things. So if he is happy with this, he can go into it, because software development, like software engineering, is mostly into logic building and technique building, writing commands, learning all those programming language, right? So lots of logic are required, and if your brother is interested in it, then let him pursue his goals. That's it. Because related to any of the programming language, let me tell you, if you are interested, then only you will be able to cover the topics, cover the programming language in a proper way. Like, see, right now you are, I mean, to say you are having good interest in data analytics in SQL, Python, all the tools, Power BI. So that's why you are able to like do questions. You are having interest in doing questions. You are asking doubts because you are having interest in that, right? So if your brother is having interest in software engineering, let him do. But related to roadmap, I don't have that much idea, because I was a if you ask me, I was a mechanical engineer. I mean, not mechanical engineer, but mechanical engineering department in my college days. ठीक है. Due to my work ex, I was shifted to this data domain, or you can say tech domain, IT tech, right? Due to my work ex. So that's the thing. So I would not be able to give that much, I mean to say, what that much knowledge or that much idea about the software engineering part. So, and related to YouTube channel, I have to check out by. Related to DA, I can say, but related to software engineering, I have to have a check. Let me tell you. Yeah, hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. Hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. So, okay, we have one more query. Sure, thanks for the info. Yeah, welcome, bye, welcome. So, in the meantime, Let us, okay, that's, chalo, let us start with the questions. What we have right now, we have to, where is the assignment number 5? Assignment number 5. Yeah, we have to write a query to print the employee name and their supervisor name. Simple. Employee name and their supervisor name. ठीक है? So what things we need to check? We need to check either employee ID. We need to check supervisor ID. ठीक है? We need to check are this two columns are in different table, or are these two columns are in same table. ठीक है? If different table, then different joins will help us to find the output. If in same table, if this both are in same table, then self join will help us related to this question. So let's jump into the question, I mean tables, and let's see what questions, I mean what details do this table have. Feedback table data set, okay. Select everything from this. Okay, so what we have here, let's see. We have customer id, no need, let's do it here like that. Yeah, we have employee id, employee name, cashier id, employee points, and supervisor id. Okay, supervisor id and employee id are same. Okay, but because why I am saying this, let me tell you about this. Because inside a company, inside a organization or company, everyone is an employee, right? Each and everyone is an employee. Your manager is an employee, your manager's manager is an employee, you are an employee, the people under you, those who are working under you, are also an employee. So each and everyone comes under employee. It's like they are employee of XYZ company, they are employee of ABC company, like that. Okay? So what we have seen in this table is like employee ID and supervisor ID are matching. Okay? I mean to say, suppose we have, let's take an example, a small example, employee ID, employee name. Okay? 1 2 3, employee name ABC. Right now, suppose you are a HR. Okay? Suppose you are a HR, you have to write whoever the employee is having their manager's ID. Just you have to write the manager's ID. Okay? And you have this data. So what you will see, okay, A is an employee. Does A have a manager? Till date, A does not have a manager. So let's write null. So let's go to employee B. Do B have a manager? Yeah. B's manager is A. So you will write manager ID equal to 1. Okay? And these two things are same. Anyhow, A is what? A is an employee. And employee is having his own ID. So in front of B, we will write the employee ID of the manager. Okay? That is 1. We have written that. Then we move to C. For C, who is the manager? For C, we have seen A is the manager for C as well. So we will write 1 in front of C. So it's like that. A is the manager, and inside A, this two employees are working. So if we ask, suppose if we ask like B, who is your manager? He will say A is my manager. And if we ask C, who is your manager? C will also say A is our manager. If we ask B, like what's your manager ID, employee ID? What B will say? 1 is my manager's employee ID. If we ask C the same question, what C will say? 1 is my manager's employee ID. I hope you understand this thing and not get confused in that, because when I was learning like this kind of question like manager and employee questions for the self join part, I was highly confused, like is supervisor ID different or manager's ID different, or is the employee ID different, right? Anyhow, these are the same thing. Okay, these are the same thing, correct? Inside supervisor id you are having the employee ids, that's it. ठीक, and employee age and all those stuffs. ठीक है. Right now what we want to do in this, what we want to do, we want to do self join. In self join what will happen, let us write it, let us just write in a theoretical way what will happen in self join. Suppose we have the same table, employee id, employee name, मैनेजर आईडी. ठीक है, 1 2 3 ABC. ठीक, and we have manager ID as null. Okay, let's not write this, let's keep it till here. We will make this thing. Right now what we want is like we want to show the employees having the same manager id. For that what we need, for that what we have in the table, we have manager id in the table where there is null, there is 1 and there is 1. In the question what they have asked, in the question they have asked, they have to print the employee name and their supervisor name. I mean in output what they want, in output they want like this. This is employee name and this manager name. For A, is there any manager? No. For B, is there any manager? Yes. For C, is there any manager? Yes. Okay. For that what we will do, we will join this two column from the same table. Okay. We will join this two column from the same table. And if I join this two column, right, key employee ID is equal to manager ID, what will happen? Let's check this out here. 1 2 3 is for, are the employee IDs. For manager ID what we have, null, 1 and 1. Right now when you join what will happen, when you join, when you write employee ID is equal to manager ID, what will happen, it will check what things are matching. Okay, it will check like that and show you the output. It will go like what SQL will do, SQL will go and match up the numbers. Okay, SQL will go and check कि अच्छा 1 is matching with null, no it's not, 1 is matching with 1, yes that's good. So it will be like in the output. ठीक है, it will be like that, null. ठीक है, 1 is matching with null, no, like this it will show in the output. Then comes 2, is 2 matching with null? No, 2 is not matching with null. 2 matching with null? No. Is 2 matching with 1? No. 2 is not also matching with 1, it's not like that. Same goes for 3. So right now what will happen, when this things matches, it will show like this in the output. Let me show you like this. Employee ID, employee name, manager ID. ठीक है, this is table, same table will be joined again, same table will be joined again here. ठीक है, same table will be joined again here. I am writing A1 A2 and it's like employee ID 1 2 3 sorry, employee name ABC, null 1 1. Same table will be joined here. What we have done here, employee id equal to manager id. ठीक है, this two we have done. Right now in table 2 also same thing will be there, same columns will be there, employee id, employee name and manager id. So right now what we have told SQL कि whatever IDs are there in employee connect with the manager. ठीक है, whatever IDs are there in employee connect with the manager in different table, because we have done join with the same table and this two are same table. I am writing a different name so that you don't get confused. ठीक है, what it will do, it will go and match up here. ठीक है, it will be like manager id 1, it will be null. ठीक है, for 2 it will be 1, for 3 it will be 1. ठीक है, for employees it's like 1 2 3 and here it will be null a and a, like that, because these two are matching. Like that we have to do like this. Now let's go to the SQL environment and work out here. Here I will show you how we will join the same table twice. Join feedback table B on, just a minute, let me show you, a dot supervisor id equal to b dot employee id. ठीक है, and when we have done it, let's execute it. Let's see what output do we get. ठीक है, now see supervisor id has been changed and employee id have been changed. Right now if you check one thing, the supervisor id and employee id are matching. One table supervisor id and same table with the alias b employee id are matching. So what SQL will do, SQL will set all the columns with respect to the employee columns. ठीक है, SQL will set all the column with respect to the employee column. Employee id 4, name, cashier id, employee point, supervisor id. Let's cross check it. 4 is FAMT, let's check that out. 4 is FAMT. ठीक है, so FAMT is having what cashier id 1. Let's check. FAMT having cashier id 1. Let's check again. FAMT is having employee points 50. FAMT having employee points 50. FAMT having supervisor id equal to 2. Let's see. FAMT having supervisor id equal to 2. ठीक है, so if you check closely one thing, this supervisor id has been matched with the employee id. So right now the supervisor on the first table have became a normal employee on the second table. ठीक है, it's like that. Let me show you here. Earlier it was like this. Let me show you here. A is the manager, here B and C in the first table. ठीक है, right now in the second table what has happened, they have moved one step ahead. ठीक है, right now A is the employee and here they have a manager. ठीक है, they have a manager. It's like that. ठीक है, this is for the first table and now this is for the second table. It's like that, right now when we have each and everything on the table, what we will do, we will just have to take the names from the manager and take the names from the employee and print in the output. Just you have to take care of the alias before writing the column name in select table. ठीक है, what alias it is all about, print the employee name. ठीक है, Here we have employee name. Employee name is what? A dot employee name. ठीक है. Then their supervisor name. Supervisor are who? Like this. These are the supervisor, and where we will get the supervisor name? Here. See, these are supervisor. Same supervisor are here with the employee ID, and these are the names. So indirectly, these are the supervisor names. Check this out. Check this out. These are the supervisor names. So B dot employee name is as supervisor name. ठीक है. That's it. And execute it. Now see, this is what it is all about. You see the names are repeated. Why names are repeated? Because inside one manager there are lots of employees. ठीक है. That's why see these names are repeated. This name is repeated. ठीक है. Let's do a order by so that it is perfect for you right now. B dot employee name descending. ठीक है. Now see how names are repeated twice, thrice and all. ठीक है. It is how it is all about, right? We have just told SQL what SQL had done. SQL used to give, see there are in the actual table how many columns are there? Suppose there are 4 columns. What SQL used to do? SQL used to give the data of the remaining 3 column with respect to 1 column as the employee ID. We have told SQL that in second column, in place of employee ID, ठीक है, in place of employee ID give the supervisor ID, and with respect to the supervisor ID give the detail of the supervisor in the B table. This is what it is all about, right? If you understand this thing in like this, in this way, I mean to say, each and every column in table A is with respect to the employee ID. ठीक है. Whatever employee ID is there, that employee ID details are given by SQL in A table. What we have told SQL in next table, because we are doing self join, in next table what you do, in place of employee ID, because SQL is doing what? SQL is giving details of all the SQL is giving all the details of the employees with respect to the employee table, employee ID. We are telling SQL in place of employee ID in B table, just write the supervisor number, supervisor IDs. ठीक है. So once SQL write the supervisor IDs here, what SQL will do? Automatically SQL will check this IDs and give detail as per the IDs. ठीक है. That's it. And when we get details of each and every supervisor, we have to just give the table name A or B and just write the output in the select column. That's it, right? I hope you understood it, and we have received the output as well. ठीक है. We have received the output as well. If you want, you can just let me check once. String aggregate, you can just use commas here also. Commas in the sense you can just write the employee name in commas, right? How? Let me show you. I hope it will ask me related to the group by is there. Let me execute. Okay. My string aggregate does not. Oh, sorry. Right now, let's check. Right now, see how this names are coming in proper way. Like supervisor is there, their employees are there. ठीक है. If you want more properly, just give a space and see how properly we have received the output for the supervisor name and for the employee name. Okay, and let's do it more proper way. Just write it like this and execute it. Right now, see, supervisor name is there, employee name is there with comma separated details. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. So I think this question we have, question number 5, write the query to print supervisor name along with comma separated. And if you know about string aggregate, you might be knowing this thing. If not, no need to worry about. For my SQL course series, you will get to know about the string aggregate part in both English and Hindi language with the practical and theoretical part. You can write anything. You can write at the rate as well. It will show you there. You can write slash, backslash, anything you want. You can write. It will just cover it up in place of comma. Okay, that's the thing. I hope you understood it. If not, you can ask your doubts here. I can help you out related to the topics, right? Like any doubt you have related to this. So what things have we learned here? Let me write it. We have learned about self join, and inside self join, what things have we learned? We have learned to join the same table with columns in same table. ठीक है, in the same table you have took two columns because the two columns are having same data, and you have joined it and found the output. That's it. This is what we have did, right? Easy way, practical way. But still, if you have any doubt, just ask your doubts here in the live stream. Any doubts related to anything, just ask your doubts. Just ask your doubts related to these topics. You can just ask your doubts. Just a minute, let me check. Just ask your doubts related to these topics. Self join, if you need to learn or if you know something, want to know something, you can ask your doubts. Just ask your doubts. Any doubts you have, you want to learn something from this, just ask your doubts. I can help you out in this. Okay, no worries. Let's move to the next question. So next question we have, write a query to print employee name, their supervisor name, and difference in the age. Chalo. So here we will be having the same concept. ठीक है, what we will do in question number 2, we will be doing the self join. After doing the self join, we will have all the columns. ठीक है, After that, what we will do, we will take age of employees from table A, because in table A we have detail of the employees, and then we will take the age of managers, because in table B SQL have all the details of the managers who have replicated themselves as an employee. Okay, once we get this, we will do the subtraction part, and then we will get the output, right? Let's do it. Okay, let's just copy and paste it. I will remove some columns from here, because the thing is I need only age related columns, and then I will do the aggregation part, I mean the subtraction part from there. So we need employee name. Let's remove this. We need the employee name, then a dot age as employee age, then we need the manager name, and then we will write b dot age as manager age. Okay, let's execute it. What happened? Age not exist. What, why it's like that? I think we are giving some different names related to the column, that's why I'm saying. Let's check that out. What we have employee age. Okay, so the column name is employee age, no worries. Let's execute it. Oh, but why we have done group by? Right now you check what things we have in front of us. We have employee name, age. We have let me write this employee name as manager name. Okay, right now you see we have employee name, employee age, manager name, and manager age. Okay, right now what we will do, let's check that out. Write a query to print this and difference in ages. Age मतलब supervisor versus employee age. Okay, so we will write supervisor age, which is this, minus employee age, and then we'll find the output. Okay, as age difference, and then we will find the output. So we have received the age difference as well. So here we have received the age difference in a proper way. ठीक, what we have done, we have just taken care of the columns from both the table, and once we took the columns from both the table, what we did the subtraction part and got the output. Simple. What's the main part and what's the, I would say, logical, or I would say the technique which you should use here is the self join. Once you do self join, you are almost 80% done with the question. Second struggle or second challenge is the column distribution. Column distribution in select clause, right? Once you have done the self join, just don't get confused, just write the alias and the column name that you want in the output. Okay, here you are done with another 10%, 90% done. And once you have all the column, just do the aggregation part here. Aggregation part matlab here we want to do the subtraction part. That's it. ठीक है, simple. It is simple. Just main challenge is self join. Once you are done with the self join, then you have to just take the columns, whatever columns you need in the output for finding out the requirement or just finding out the solution from the question. After that, just do the aggregation part because we need to find the average and we found it. Okay. So here what things we have covered in question number 2. We have covered self join, then we have covered the aggregation part as per question. As per question. ठीक है. These are the two things we have covered in question number 2 of assignment number 5. So you have any doubt in this, just ask your doubts in the live stream. Any doubt related to this topics like self join and the aggregation part, just ask your doubts. Okay, just ask your doubts, I will help you out in this. But still also, if you have any other doubts apart from these two topics, apart from the above two topics, please ask. Okay, no worries for that. And what doubts we cover up? We cover up SQL doubts, we cover up Python doubts, मतलब Python for data analytics, and we cover up Power BI doubts. ठीक है, just ask your doubts, I will help you out in that. Just wait for 5 minutes. Let me just fill up my water bottle. So we are back on the stream. Let's see what we have. Do we have any doubts? Oh, please ask your doubts. It's not like I was not there in the stream, so please continue asking your doubts. है कि नहीं? Continue asking your doubts. No worries for that. Any doubts related to SQL, related to Python for data analytics, related to Power BI, just ask your doubts. No worries for that. Let me check, is the stream working or let me check. Okay. Stream is excellent. चलो ठीक है. Just ask your doubts. Any doubts anybody have, ask your doubts. Whatever knowledge I have, whatever work ex I have, I can just help you out with that thing. ठीक है. Just ask your doubts. So okay, in that meantime, let's move to question number 3. ठीक है. Question number 3, what we have to write a query to print subcategory which never had any return orders in the month of November, regardless of year. Let's understand the question first. What they are asking: subcategory which never had any return orders for the month of November. ठीक है. See, regardless of years is also there. So if there are, suppose, 3 years, ठीक है, each and every year have 12 months, and each and every month will have a return order. ठीक है. Each and every month will have a return order, right? And that return order, let me write that return order will be connected or linked to a subcategory, right? Anyhow, that order will be linked to a subcategory. Example, I am saying example. What is category, subcategory? Let's understand that as well. Suppose pen, eraser, pencil. These 3 things are product. This comes under what? I would say stationery. So this is what? Subcategory, and these are category of the product. And in the category of the product, in pen, you will have 2 kind of pen: one gel pen, one dot pen. ठीक है, like this. These are product, these are category, these are subcategory. It is like that. So obviously each and every month will have various number of subcategories as written. Suppose January having 3 subcategories as written, Feb will be having 4, March will be having 5. It's like that. ठीक है. So what we have to find out, like subcategories which are having the return orders in November. What we will do, we will first extract the month November. ठीक है. And when we extract the month November, we will calculate, we will count the number of return order IDs in that month. ठीक है. With respect to, question is still on the way with respect to subcategory. ठीक है, it's like that. Let's check that out. Let's continue with this. What we will do, we will write select everything. We have to join first. Why we have to join? Because both the table are connected with order IDs. One table is having normal order ID, another table is having order ID which are returned. Okay, so it's like 7-Eleven store, sorry, from 7-Eleven store A, join. In this we will do full join because we need all the data. Full join, wait, return orders. So we need return orders. Okay, so we can do join because we just want to work out with the return order IDs. So only inner join is good to go. Join 7-Eleven return B on A dot order ID equal to B dot order ID, and let's execute it. Just execute it. Let's see what data do we get. From here we will find the output. We have received this data, and whatever data you are seeing here are mixture of both the table. Till here it is till first column to profit column, it is all about 7-Eleven store. After that, the two columns where order ID and return reason is there, that belongs to the return table. So right now we have all the columns, common columns in this output. What we have to do next? We have to check the order IDs for the subcategory. So where we have subcategory, we have subcategory, wait, in table A, which is 7-Eleven store. Then what we have, then we have to find out month. Extract month from order date as month. Just do this. Okay, just do it. Let's see what we have. These are the thing. These are month, number are there. Okay, simple as it is. Right now we will do a filter. Why we are doing a filter? Because we have to only work out with the month which is having November in their data set, in their data, I mean to say, in the column data. But here name is not there, so we can go with this, just the number, and November is on 11th. Okay, let's check that out. Okay, this is the thing, right? Right now what we will do, we have to keep these things in a group by. Why? What we have to do? Okay, let's do it properly. What we have right now, we have just a minute. We have subcategory here. We have month here. ठीक? Right now what I will do, whatever number of subcategories are there, if I count it, because anyhow month we have November in filter clause. Filter clause is what? Where clause, right? Anyhow all the data are only for November month. What if I say कि just count the number of subcategory? ठीक है, in this just count that. Let's find that out. Let's see what subcategories we have. This count a dot subcategory, and we have to do group by a dot subcategory, and then this as well. Let's see, do we get the right output or do we get the wrong output? Let's check that out. We have each and everything there, and there are 19 total rows. ठीक है, let's check. First let's do one thing. Okay, we have got 19 rows. First let's check how many subcategories are there in total. How many subcategories are there in total? Let's see. Select subcategory from select subcategory from 7 11 store, group by subcategory. ठीक है, let's see how many subcategories are there. Total we have 21 subcategories, and how many subcategories we have received in month 11 19, and there are 21 subcategories. So 2 subcategories are still missing for November month. ठीक है. Hey, hi Rudra, welcome to live stream. Hi Rudra, welcome to live stream. So what we have, sorry for disturbing, but why you are sorry for disturbing? I am here to help you out. Anyways, let's continue. Sorry for disturbing, but I want to say thank you for guidance you gave me yesterday regarding time management. Welcome for it, and thanks to you that you joined my live stream. Let me tell you that. So you are the one, like, you are interested in lots of things. That's a good thing that I came to know. Like, you are the one you told, like, related to AI, related to German language, related to the projects. And for that I think I have told you related to the priority basis. Whatever priority, I mean whatever interest is there on first priority, set it time wise. You will be able to cover all the things. I mean, all the interest will be covered in a single day, and I hope you followed it. Okay, we have one more query. I followed that and my day passed really well. Thanks again. Yeah, welcome, bye. Welcome, bro. And thanks to you that you joined my live stream. Thanks for that. Thanks, bhai. Thank you for that. So, okay. Let's see, do we have any more doubts? Okay, so let's move to the question first. We have 19 rows here for 11 month, and how many, sorry, 19 rows matlab 19 subcategories, and how many total subcategories we have? 21. But how to find the other two data here? Oh, sorry, this is not the thing. How to find the other two data, or the two rows which are missing in November month? We have to do some work in the, what we say, in the query. ठीक है, this is a manual way that we did. We have just see how many subcategories are there, 21, and then here we have seen how many subcategories are there, 11, and anything is repeating? No, nothing is repeating. ठीक है, let's see how can we add the other two rows that are missing in the same query. Okay, let's do that. Where this, what can we do like this? Where month equal to 11, let's remove this thing. Let's remove the month. I mean, let's remove the month in select clause. In where clause, just give a filter and let's see, do we get the output? No, still we haven't received the output. ठीक है, we have given a filter of November month in where clause. ठीक है, but we are just removing the month wala column here because in group by we have to write that, because you know whatever column name you have written in select, you have to add that column name in group by. ठीक है, now still we have received the same number of rows in the output, so we need to do some more kind of modification in this query. Let's think about it. Instead of counting the subcategory, can we do like this? Can we count the order IDs? Let's see. Order IDs for the return orders. Let's see. Let's see. ठीक है. Oops. For each and every subcategory it is coming. Okay. So right now what we have to do, let's do a dry run. ठीक है. First thing first, what we have done inner join. ठीक है. In inner join, what we have received all the return orders detail. ठीक है, right, all the return orders detail. ठीक है, I mean to say you you will get all the details that are in the return bracket. I mean to say, if suppose there are example I am saying, suppose there are 3 subcategories. Example, subcategory A, subcategory B, subcategory C, 1 2 3. Right now if I do inner join, ठीक है, what will happen, let me write it properly. ठीक है, suppose there are 3 subcategories total. Subcategory 1, subcategory 2, subcategory 3. Subcategory 1 is having no return orders till date. Example, let's take till date, and there is only 1 year, 2023. Example, till date there are no return order IDs. Subcategory 2, we have 2 order IDs. Subcategory 3, we have 3 order IDs. Now let's understand one thing. If we do inner join in both the table, we will get only what data? Common data in the output. ठीक है, data which are common in table A and in table B. So we will get only this 2 subcategories in the output. Why? Because why this won't come? Because this is not in the return table, right? This is not in the return table. Simple. If something is not in the return table, that means the data is not common. I mean to say, this data is there in table A. ठीक है, and table B is what? Return table. In return table, whatever order IDs, like I have told, there are total 2 order IDs for subcategory and 3 order IDs for subcategory 3. In return table, we have total, example, 5 order IDs for subcategory, like order ID 1, order ID 2, order ID 3, order ID 4, order ID 5. Order ID 1 and 2 belongs to subcategory 2. Order ID 3 4 5 belongs to subcategory 3. ठीक है, that's the thing. Obviously because these are in the order, and when I connect this thing, what it will show? It will show only the 2 subcategories, because this 2 subcategories are common in both the table. Why it will show only the 2? Because we have done inner join. And inner join, what is the concept of inner join? It will show only those datas which are common in both the table, in both the table. ठीक है. And if you check out here, what we find out, return have 5 order IDs, right? In 5 order IDs, if we check, they are connecting to only two subcategories. So only these two subcategories are common here. So we will get this two. This won't come in the output. So how we will understand? ठीक है, that there are 0 orders in any of the month. Right now we will do a change. We will change the inner join to left join or full outer join. ठीक है. In left join and full outer join, when we match it, what data will come? We will get all those data. So subcategory 1, subcategory 2 and subcategory 3. In the data, if we see, subcategory 2 will have 2 order IDs, 3 order IDs, and subcategory 1 will have null. And here when we count the order IDs as per or with respect to subcategories, what it will show? It will show subcategory 1 have 0 order IDs, subcategory 2 have 2 order IDs, subcategory 3 have 3 order IDs. After this, what we will do? We will utilize or we will add one more filter for month. ठीक है, month equal to 11 or November. ठीक है. So this is the dry run that we have did, and we have found out where we have written the wrong query, or you would say where we have used the wrong logic. So each and every solution to any of the issue will easily come into your knowledge with the help of dry run. This is what I am always suggesting to each and everyone. If you are into IT sector, in technical domain, in any of the programming language, just do a dry run and you will get a clear picture of what you are doing in front of you. ठीक है, simple as it is. Let's check that out again. ठीक है, because see, let me tell you one thing, कि this is just a mistake that we have find out. It's not like कि this is means after applying the left join or full outer join we will get the correct answer. If we have not received the correct answer, then we will do a dry run again and then we will find out the mistake. If there is any mistake, we will find that out. If not, then we will move to next question. Let's do left join here. ठीक है, let's execute it. Left join this. Let's not add group by, let's do it. ठीक है. Okay, let's write the month here. Let's write the month. Let's execute this. ठीक है. So these are the output that we have received. Right now we will do the same thing. We will remove this and we will do count of b dot order id. ठीक है. b dot order id are return orders count. ठीक है. And this is an aggregate function, so group by is required. Group by a dot sub category. Let's execute it and let's see what output do we get. Okay, now see, now do you see one change here? We have received 21 rows. ठीक है. Earlier how many rows we are receiving? We have received 19 rows. Why? Because 19 subcategories are matching in inner join in both the table. I mean, in join we join both the table, right? Table A and B. So 19 subcategories are matching. Right now we are receiving 21 rows. Why 21 rows? Because it is left join. So whatever rows are not matching with table B, or you can say the return table, return table will be there in the output but in null way or in zero. Okay, anything. If you have done count, it will be zero. If not, then it will show out in null. So right now you see we have received 21 rows in total. After that we will add one more filtration part here in this. Let's write where this and count of b dot order id equal to 0. Let's execute it. ये क्या हो गया? Oh sorry, comma is there. Oh shit. We have to use having because aggregate function na. Having count of b dot order id equal to 0. See, actually in aggregate function filtration you have to use having, and when we execute it we have received two rows, and copier and portable tools are the two subcategories that are having 0 return orders in November month. ठीक है, this is the thing. So I hope you got this solution. And what things have we cover up here? We have cover up left join. We have seen the use of having filter function because we have aggregate functions, that's why. We have also seen the use of where filter in the same query. Also we have seen the use of aggregate function count in the query. So whatever doubts you have till date, I mean related to this topics, please ask me. I will help you out in this. And apart from this, if you have any other doubts you can also ask me. I can help you out in that as well. So please ask your doubts related to any of the topics. I will help you out. Please ask your doubts. So ask your doubts related to self join, related to left join. Self join also you can ask, related to having filter, related to where filter, related to count function. ठीक है, ask your doubts. Or any other doubts you have related to SQL, related to Python for data analytics, related to Power BI. I am ready to help you out in this. So ask your doubts related to any of the topics that we have studied right now in question number 3. And if you have any other doubts apart from this topics, you can ask me in the live stream. So let's see, do you have any other doubts related to this? Let's ask your doubts related to this. I will help you out related to any of the doubts. Okay, we have a hi Charan, welcome to live stream. Hi Charan, welcome to live stream. So do you have any other doubts related to any of the topics? Please ask me. So anybody have any other doubts? Any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. I will help you out. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Just ask your doubts. So anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Anybody have any? Okay, we have one more query. I will share some interview SQL question mostly today or tomorrow. Please try to do a video every day. Okay, let's do that. Actually, the thing is we have already video lined up till May. But anyways, you just give me the questions. Okay? We will add those videos every day. Okay? We will add those videos. Okay? We will do it. We will do it. No worries for that. Maybe if not every day, maybe alternate day. Okay? Whenever I get time, I will make a video and I will upload it in my YouTube channel. Okay? So and also one more thing, Charan, please give the data sets as well. Okay? मतलब okay, if it is related to topic चलेगा, I will take an example data set. ठीक? And if the topics are connected to any data set, I mean to say if the questions are connected to any data set, then please give me the data set. I will cover those questions. And if it is only topics and no data set is connected related to that, then I will take a dummy table and make the video related to that. Okay? So uh, that's the thing. And yeah, that's it. And take my mail id. This is my mail id. Copy and paste. ठीक है? So if the topics or the questions are connected to any of the data set or table, please provide the table. And if not, if it is a individual topic or kind of like the questions are contributing or following the path of an individual topic, then I will uh, cover it up with those data sets. I mean, dummy data set, I mean to say. Okay, we have one query. Bro, I have some question which I feel very hard and interview level. Can you check those question worth it or not? I will mail you. Yeah, sure, sure. No worries, no worries. And let me tell you one thing, in today's scenario, due to competition, due to heavy competition, maybe those questions, the thing is, see, questions may not be tough, it will be confusing. Let me tell you that. It will be kind of confusing. Okay. But anyways, you send it. You send it. Let's see if it is on. I mean, let's see the difficulty level. Okay. I will provide the solution for that as well. Okay, we have one more. If those are good, I will provide data set. Okay, चलेगा कोई no problem, no problem. ठीक है. You just send the questions and the mail ID is there. Hi Shubham, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. So we have one query from Shubham, before applying to DA or BA roles, which tools do I need to learn, or to what level should I be proficient in each one of them? Okay, let's understand this thing. So related to data analytics and business analytics in today's scenario, it is almost the same thing, because anyhow the data analyst have to understand the business model and work on that. What BA used to do earlier, they used to be the bridge between DA and the stakeholders. But in today's scenario, cost cutting things are there for the organization, and they expect the DA should have a good communication skill, and they should at least have a kind of good understanding of the business model. But anyways, your managers will be there, stakeholders will be there to help you out. So that is the difference between DA and BA in today's scenario. So let's jump into the tools that you need to cover up as a data analyst or a business analyst. Okay, first thing first is SQL. You should have full knowledge in for this, right? So SQL is the first topic which you need to learn. Second is Python. Python, not all the things, Python for data analytics. Python for data analytics means, when data analytics comes into picture, it means taking care of Python with the help of libraries. Full knowledge is required. ठीक है, and due to heavy competition in today's scenario, companies are expecting the candidate should also have knowledge of any of the BI tool, any BI tool, if it is Power BI or if it is Tableau, doesn't matter. Both are industry standard, and both are in a good competition right now. If you learn Tableau, good to go. Power BI, good to go. If you ask me, in both the companies, in Flipkart and in Amazon, both the companies are using Power BI and Tableau. ठीक है, so it's like that. If you have anyone, like, no, if you have knowledge of any one of the tools related, either it's Power BI or Tableau, it is good to go. No need to cover up both the topics. Whatever you are comfortable with, I mean, no need to cover up both the tools. Whatever you are comfortable with, go with that. So what is the level of, I mean to say, topics you should be proficient with that for BI? Related to the BI tools, it is basics plus intermediate part. ठीक है, why I am saying this basic plus intermediate part? Because most of the companies are having BI developers with them. BI, if you want to become BI developer, you should have a full knowledge in any of the BI tool. But if you are a DA, then just have the basic and intermediate level of knowledge from your side. That's it, nothing else. Okay, that's all about it. So SQL, Python, and any of the BI tool if you are going for data analytics. And if you want to compare with all the data domain like data analytics, data engineering, data science, let me tell you one thing. This three have one thing common in them. What things are common in them? SQL and Python. Okay, these two things are common. So anyhow, if you go to any of the data domain, you have to learn these two tools and have a full knowledge grip of these two tools. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say. So I hope you got it. If you need to go more deep dive, or if you want to ask any more doubts or any more thing you need to know related to this domain or this tools, just ask me, I can help you out. ठीक है, let's see if the stream is, चलो stream is healthy, correct. So let's check stream is healthy or okay. Let's see. Let's see, do we have any more query? Okay, we have one more query. Also, bro, those are chat gpt generated, I have mailed you. Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. Let me check. Mail is, let me check, let me refresh, because VPN is connected, so you know it takes time to reflect your mail in my mail ID. ठीक है. Okay, we have one more query from Shubham. It's like, thank you for guidance. Yeah, welcome bhai. I am currently enrolled in the IntelliPack DS program. Okay, data science, and I am a MBA graduate. Same here, I am also a MBA graduate. They are also covering MLDL as well. Yes, right. Like as I've told you here, this three data domains require these two tools in common. So let me tell you, data science tools. I mean, if you are into data science, what tools you need to cover up. ठीक है. First is SQL. Second is Python for data science. Sorry, data science, data analytics, मतलब libraries. Third is maths. Fourth is AIML. ठीक है. These are the four topics you need to cover up when you are into data science domain. ठीक है. And also let me tell you one thing. In next month, in March, we will be covering a data science project, so please do watch that. Actually, the thing is, I am a data analyst. One of my friend from Amazon, like my previous company friend colleague, he is helping me out in the data science project. Actually, he is a data scientist, that's why. So I am not that much into data science, so whatever topics or whatever things he tell me to add in the project, I will do it. So please do give your feedback, right? And also one more thing, where we have lots of project done till date, and all those projects are there in my YouTube channel, so you can go and watch that, and you can add this project in your CV, resume, and your LinkedIn platform. ठीक है. We have one hybrid project related to Power BI and SQL. You can go and watch that, and that is related to the Spotify wrapped kind of background. You can go and check that out, right? And we have Excel project as well. So this is the first time we will be uploading a project which is directly connected to data science. Till date, whatever projects we have done, it is connected to data analytics. And the thing is, most of my viewers and subscribers are also into data science domain, so that's why I have decided to, let's contribute some project, and let's give some help related to data science. Although I don't have that much knowledge in data science, but my friends and colleagues are there to help me out. So let's see if it is a success or not. But anyways, we will try our best, and please everyone give your valuable feedback to the projects that we present in front of you every month, right? And also one more thing, whatever projects I have in my YouTube channel, you are allowed to use that projects in your CV, in your resume, also your LinkedIn platform. ठीक है. Please use it, there is no restriction in that. All the data set, all the study material are there in the description box of each and every link that I have given to you in the uh, chat section. I mean live chat section. ठीक है. Let's see. Wait, Charan, I am just refreshing if we have received anything. Okay, we have received a mail from Charan. Okay, I have received it. Hmm. So we have two queries: set one, set two, set three. Okay, ठीक है, we will cover it up. We'll cover it up. ठीक. What I can see right now, I have not read all the things. What I can see, it is mostly into मतलब aggregate functions are there, greater than, less than kind of things are there. What I can see right now. ठीक है. So you can do one thing. If you can send the data set, I will cover up each of the question. Right. चरण यू कैन सेंड द डेटा सेट द टेबल आई विल हेल्प यू आउट ठीक है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है एंड व्हाट मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आई कैन सी इज लाइक they are into whatever the question that you have given me, it is into SQL का work plus business logic and business thinking. ठीक है, no worries, we will cover it up, we will cover it up and send the data set. ठीक है, we will do it, we will do it. ठीक है, we will take this as a challenge and whatever knowledge I have till date with my work ex and with my client work, I will use it. If I am not able to cover up that question or it is not in my range, then I will make sure I understand the topic, I read the topic again and again, then I will upload the video for that, right? So no need to worry about. uh, we will cover all the topics and all the question. So Charan, please provide me the tables and data sets. ठीक है, and also when you are providing, please give me the create table and insert into, in that way you give it. ठीक है, because the thing is, if you provide me in CSV file, I have to convert it into create table, insert into query, and then I have to use it. Because in SQL environment, if you just import the data sets, error will show, because you know what it is the thing. So please give me the create table and insert into, and take your time, no need to hurry about, no need to hurry, we will cover each and every question, I promise that. ठीक है, and also thanks to Charan for sharing those questions with us. Thank you for that. Okay, we have one more query from Shubham. Why this? Yeah, okay, actually this thing goes there, that's why. Could you suggest any platform where I can learn Python for DA and Power BI? Okay, see, for Power BI I don't have any idea about the platforms, but for Python and SQL we have lots of what we say, let me write it here. Where is it? This कहाँ गया? हाँ, we have lots of websites which will help you to cover up your Python skills directly with the questions data set and also with the explanation. So this is the first link I have given. Then we have wait, let me check that out. This is the first link. 1 minute, let me find out the other links as well. Lead code, uh, questions. This is the one link that I have given. This one, copy link. This is for the lead code questions, right? And let me give you the next link. Where is it? I hope you are aware of these links because you are into data science. So that's the thing. Check that out. Yeah, this is what I can find till date for Python for data analytics practice sets. right? You can cover it up, you can check this out. Data Lemur is the best platform for the basics part. Let me write each and everything. Don't directly jump to lead code. First, when you are into the basic level, please start with Data Lemur. ठीक है? Why I am saying this? Because it will help you to gain confidence. ठीक है? If you start directly with lead code, you might feel underconfident because lead code questions are bit tough, right? Lead code questions are bit tough. That's why I'm saying. So start with Data Lemur because Data Lemur is for the basics. ठीक है, and all the free questions, do it. Just do all the free questions. Although there are paid question sets, but no need to take care of that. Do the free questions just for gaining up the confidence. ठीक है. Second, move to lead code. ठीक. Once you gain good quality confidence, move to lead code because lead code is all about intermediate and advanced level questions, right? ठीक है. This is the second. And also I think Strata Scratch या जो link I have given ना, Strata Scratch, this also comes in the same standard of lead code. ठीक है. Strata Scratch.com. This both website comes in the same standard. So start with datalemur.com, then move to lead code and start a scratch. ठीक. Okay. Hi Vishwajit, welcome to live stream. हाँ, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. ये डीए के लिए मैटप्लॉटलिब डिक्शनरी भी आना ज़रूरी है क्या? हाँ, मतलब देखो, ज़रूरी है. इट इज़ नेसेसरी related to matplotlib and seaborn. ठीक है. It is necessary, right? It is necessary, but make sure करना अगर आपका numpy और pandas का libraries क्लियर अप है तो ये दोनों लाइब्रेरीज में अगर थोड़ा सा भी 19-20 हो जाता है तो कोई दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप एनी हाउ एक BI टूल कवर अप कर रहे हो. ठीक है, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. नमपाई पैंडास को फुल्ली कवर अप करना, मैटप्लॉटलिब जितना हो पाएगा. ठीक है, डोंट गो मच डीप. मच डीप मतलब ज़्यादा डीप डाइव नॉलेज ले लोगे तो डेटा साइंस वाला टॉपिक में पहुंच जाओगे. ठीक है, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. और आप डेटा साइंस के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे हो, फिर वहाँ पे कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन होगा, डर लगेगा कि यार इतना पढ़ना है. इतना डीप डाइव नहीं करना है. मैटप्लॉटलिब सीबॉर्न से रिलेटेड जितना डेटा एनालिस्ट के लिए ज़रूरत है उतना नहीं ज़रूरत है. नॉर्मल बेसिक्स ऑफ द बेसिक्स भी कर लोगे, गुड टू गो. ठीक है, क्योंकि आप एनी हाउ कंपनीज BI टूल्स का डिमांड कर रहा है. दैट्स वाई आई एम सेइंग. तो BI टूल्स तो ऐसे ही आपका विजुअलाइजेशन वाला पार्ट कवर अप कर देगा. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. तो ज़्यादा टाइम पाइथन में आप नमपाई पैंडास को देना, ज़्यादा टाइम इस पर देना. ठीक है, ज़्यादा एफर्ट इस पर देना, ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस इससे करना. मैटप्लॉटलिब सीबॉर्न से बेसिक्स लेवल क्वेश्चन, या तो अगर अच्छा लगा तो इंटरमीडिएट लेवल क्वेश्चंस करोगे चलेगा, लेकिन इतना भी डीप डाइव मत चले जाना कि डेटा साइंस वाला टॉपिक भी कवर करो. ठीक है, क्योंकि आप ऐसे भी यहाँ पे आपको टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा BI टूल के लिए. BI टूल मतलब या तो पावर BI या तो टैब्ल्यू के लिए आपको ऐसे भी टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, आप जो ज़्यादा टाइम इधर इन्वेस्ट करोगे उससे अच्छा आप BI टूल पे इन्वेस्ट करो. यू विल बी ऑन अ सेफ साइड, राइट? दैट्स द थिंग. ओके, चरण गेमिंग. या ब्रो, SQL 50 लीड कोड. SQL 50 लीड कोड, the same thing that I've given here. All the questions are free, nothing is paid in SQL 50 lead code. All the questions are free but kind of tough question. The let if I tell you the important thing here, questions are not tough. The questions lead code have given don't have their hands and leg in proper way. That's the thing. Question should be like this. They have given like this kind of question. Okay. Question should be like this. What data lemma is having, what SQL practice is having. They are having straight question. Straight question matlab ki direct question they are asking. They are not asking like do this, do that, then find the output. What lead code do, you know? Lead code will ask like this, then they will roam around somewhere else, then they will move to the point. So that is the reason lead code is tough, because you have to understand the question, then only you can write the queries. That's why. So always start with data lemma, then once you gain good quality confidence, move to lead code, right? Okay. And we are there to help you out. Any doubts you have, you can just join the live stream, or this is my mail id. You can just mail your doubts or error and you can ask it. We will help you out. Okay, we have one query from Shubham. Thank you, bro. It was really helpful. Thank you, bhai. Welcome, bhai. And thank you for joining our live stream. And let's see, do we have any more doubts? I have to charge my phone. Sorry. So, anybody have any more doubts in the live stream? They can ask your doubts. And please do watch the projects. And let's see, do we have anything else? And Charan, please send the data sets table in create table insert into way, ठीक है ना? क्योंकि the thing is I have to change it to this create table insert into way, then I have to insert all those table in my SQL environment. So it is better that you give me in that way. ठीक है? Let's see what we have. Let me check. Do we have any more questions? Let me check. Hi Karthik, welcome to live stream. Hi Karthik, welcome to live stream. So we have one query, bro. I'm starting to learn DA. Where to start? I know the tools, but where to learn from? Should I join institute or can I learn from YouTube? See, depends on you. If you are comfortable to join any of the institute, go for it, right? Or you can start from YouTube as well, right? In YouTube there are lots of tutorials like lead code, क्या बोल रहा हूँ, sorry, like free code camp dot org. Second, we have data with Bara, and third we have code with Harry. ठीक है. We have other YouTubers as well, but still you can go with this three YouTubers because they are having good feedback from everyone. And one more thing, what's the benefit of joining an institute? What's the benefit of this? You will get one benefit is like doubt clearing, right? Doubts clearing will be a benefit. Second, you will get a benefit of questions related to any of the tools, topics and all. ठीक है. I mean to say, if you go for YouTube, you have to find questions from your own side, right? But if you join any of the institute, you will have this benefit of doubt clearing. You can directly ask doubts to your teachers teaching there. They will help you out in person, right? Second thing, you will have quality question because see, this coaching institute have lots of questions with them, questions related to topics, related to tools. So you will get the benefit of these two things. If you go for YouTube for doubt clearing, anyhow, I am there in the live stream to clear your doubts. I am there in the live stream. ठीक है. And related to questions, you have to put some effort from your own side. Although I have assignments with me, you can take these assignments and start working out. I have the answers as well. So see, whatever you are comfortable with, whatever you are comfortable with, go with that. ठीक. So that's what I would suggest to you. I have just given you the benefit, like pros and cons of each and everything. The if you join a coaching institute, you have your own pros and cons. If you just go with the YouTube tutorials and YouTube channel tutorials or YouTubers who are teaching SQL Python, then you have your pros and cons. So wherever you are comfortable with, just go with that, right? So let's check. Okay, let's start with some questions. Let's continue with those questions. So where till what questions we have did? We have did till question number 3, right? Let's move to question number 4 and let's see what output or what requirements did question number 4 have for us. So in question number 4 we have orders have multiple rows for particular order IDs. Okay, it's like that. Let's break that question again. Like you order something from Amazon, you order something from Flipkart, you order something from Meesho, you order something from Blinkit. ठीक है. Each and everything will have a order ID attached to them per customer. ठीक है. One customer is having a order ID, one order ID. ठीक है. Suppose let's take an example of Blinkit. In Blinkit, what happens if you have ordered ice cream, if you have ordered a cold drink, if you have ordered milk, so what will happen? This three products will come to you with a single order ID. ठीक है, with a single order ID, but that order ID will have three product ID. कैसे? Suppose the order ID is ORD012. In that order ID you have three product ID like PRD02, PRD04, PRD06, right? One for ice cream, one for cold drink, and one for milk, right? So this is what they have told in the question. They have told that orders have multiple rows for particular order ID. So it is like that. When this same data, whatever I have told here to you all, same data if you write in Excel sheet. Let's go for the Excel sheet. What you will write? Let me see. ORD 012, PRD 02, ORD 012, PRD 04, ORD 012 will have PRD product 06. So if you write in Excel, you will get like this kind of visual in front of you. Same thing will happen for SQL, same thing will happen for Python. ठीक है? So this is what they have told, like orders have multiple rows of particular order IDs. This is multiple rows of particular order ID. ठीक है? That's the thing. When customer buys more than one product in any order. So this is what you have done. You have bought more than one product in any order. Simple. I hope you understood it. Right now, let's move to the second part of the question number 4. So they have asked, like, write a query to find order ID where there is only one product bought by the customer. ठीक है? Suppose this order ID belong to one customer. Then comes the second order ID, and that order ID have one product. ठीक है? So suppose in a day, today is what? 3rd Feb. In 3rd Feb, we have 2 orders in a day. ठीक है? 2 order means this is one order and this is one order. And like this kind of questions, if you get from stakeholder or from your manager key, and if you are working in a retail sector, you get a question from your manager or your stakeholder, right, to find out what order ID has been processed today, and find the number of orders per order ID. If you do a group by with a count of orders, what you will get? Order 012 have 3 product, order 013 have 1 product. So this is what we need to find in the output. So I hope you have got the dry run wala part for the question. Why group by? Because we want to see how many order IDs are there, and each order ID is having how many orders. So how to find how many orders? Count of order IDs, or sorry, count of product IDs will give you number of orders in that order ID. So the question is, you have to find out how many order IDs are there where only one product has been bought. Simple. So let's go and check that out. I hope you got it. Like, if you have any doubts in the dry run wala part or the dry run section, please ask me. Let's see. Let's like select everything from .7-Eleven store and let's execute it. So we have total 994 rows, and that rows are having duplicate order IDs like this. You check the first and this 152 156, ठीक है. Same order date, same ship date, customer ID is also same, ठीक है. Postal code region same, but the product ideas are different. Although it is having same category and subcategory, but still product idea are different, like we have seen in the whiteboard. Like product IDs are having ice cream, cold drink and milk, right? So just to find out this thing, what we have to do, we have to write what it is all about. It is okay. Let's see what now the main thing. Let's see, we have to focus on what column, right? Focus on what columns we have to focus on. Let's check that out. So in this they have told order IDs. So order ID column we have to focus, okay. Sorry. Second, we have to focus on customer. So customer name, because there can be a duplicate. See, in customer name it is better to go for customer ID, because customer ID is unique everywhere. So these two things should be there in the output. What we will do, we will take customer ID in group by, and we will count each customer have how many orders with them, ठीक है. So count of order ID group by customer. Let's see what we have in the output. So it's like customer ID count of order ID as order count from this group by customer ID, ठीक है. Let's execute it. See, this is the thing. How many customers we have? 793. Just to do a cross check, let's see actually how many customers do we have. Select customer name. I am doing a cross check, so I will take the name wala column from 7-Eleven store group by customer name, ठीक है. Let's check this out. So 793 columns are there, means 793 unique customers are there, so we are correct. When we execute it, what we have received this as the output. Right now I just want to do a manual way of finding the number of orders, like how many customers are there, just to look at the output. So order by order count ascending, ठीक है. Why ascending? Just to see like कि it should start from the lower to higher level. So lower is always either 0 or either 1. So this customers are having 1 as a order count, ठीक है. Let's do a cross check kind of thing. Let's do one more cross check, ठीक है. Let's check. Let's take this customer ID and let's see from the table. Select everything from 7-Eleven store where customer ID equal to this. Oops. Let's see how many rows are there with this customer ID. So there is only one row with this customer ID, and what product did the customer purchased from the store is like writing tool. Okay, so this is the thing. This is how you can cross check in a manual way for the requirement in the output. So now let's move to the main query, and we have done order by this. Right now what I will do, I will write where we will do the filter. Oh sorry, why I'm writing where, because it's an aggregate function. It is like having count of order id equal to 1. Tick. Oops, sorry. Count of order id equal to 1, and let's execute it. So these are the number of rows we have found out with the order count. That's it. And if you want to see the order IDs as well, you can do it. Order ID, order ID. ठीक है, let's execute this. Okay, we have lots of queries here, so it will come in a wrong way. But why it is coming like that? Customer ID, count of order ID as order count. So let's see, order count and order ID. Let's see this. Do we get any duplicate value here? So no duplicate value here. Let's see for the customer ID. Is there any duplicate values? No duplicate values here as well. No, we are having duplicate values here. So okay, so this won't come in the output. Why? Because every customer have a different order IDs, but we need to find out only customers who have in their lifetime, in their life history, they have only ordered one product with one order ID. If we check out this customer ID where 10375, they have ordered 5 products with 5 different order IDs. So if I go and look out for the yearly orders, I mean to say in 2025, how many customer have ordered how many product, then I will get to find out one thing, like double A 10375 have ordered 5 orders in a year. So this is the reason why we don't keep order ID in the group by section, right? So let's check that out. And right now I hope you are understanding one thing, like why I have did the cross check, right? And in the cross check we have found out one thing, like this customer IDs are actually having one order with them. If I copy and paste it and let's execute and see, one row is there, simple. Means in the full table, in the table of 992 rows, we have find out that this customer had just only ordered one product till date. Till date matlab order date 2022 3 4 5 6, each and everything. That's the thing. Okay, we have one more query. प्रोडक्ट आईडी से देखो जिसने एक ही प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया है, और ऑर्डर आईडी के थ्रू ग्रुप बाय करके देखो एक बार. प्रोडक्ट आईडी से देखो. ओके लेट्स सी, बट हमें कस्टमर के हिसाब से निकालना है एनीवेज. बट लेट्स रीड योर क्वेश्चन. प्रोडक्ट आईडी से देखो जिसने एक ही प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया है ऑर्डर आईडी से. ओके लेट्स सी. तो क्या कस्टमर आईडी हटा दूं क्या? लाइक व्हाट शुड, मतलब क्या क्या कॉलम रहना चाहिए वो बताओ, राइट? वो बताओ क्या क्या कॉलम रखूं. ऑर्डर आईडी तो समझ गया रखूंगा, प्रोडक्ट आईडी भी रखूंगा, तो कस्टमर आईडी शुड आई रिमूव इट? लेट्स सी देन. प्रोडक्ट आईडी, प्रोडक्ट आईडी, let's see. These are the order count. तो ये अपना ऑर्डर काउंट्स आ रहे हैं. मतलब एक प्रोडक्ट आईडी का एक ऑर्डर है, लेकिन अगर मैं पूछूं कि वो कस्टमर्स कौन कौन से हैं, तो कस्टमर आईडी भी ऐड करते हैं, कस्टमर आईडी जस्ट टू चेक। अब क्या हो गया, ओके, दिस आर द कस्टमर विद प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है। तो एक बार क्रॉस चेक करते हैं विद द कस्टमर आईडी। अब यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पे जो हम लोग देख रहे थे ना, एक प्रोडक्ट का एक ऑर्डर काउंट है, इस पे देखो कस्टमर ने अलग अलग दिन में ऑर्डर किया हुआ है, अलग अलग दिन में। हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि पूरे लाइफ टाइम में किस कस्टमर ने सिर्फ एक बार ऑर्डर किया। जैसे यहाँ पूछा है, राइट अ क्वेरी टू फाइंड ऑर्डर आईडी वेयर देर इज ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट बॉट बाय द कस्टमर, राइट, वन प्रोडक्ट बॉट बाय द कस्टमर, दिस इज द थिंग। और ग्रुप बाय में क्या क्या, ओके, एक बार चेक करते हैं डिसेंडिंग में कुछ आएगा क्या। ऑर्डर काउंट डिसेंडिंग एंड कस्टमर आईडी असेंडिंग, लेट्स चेक। डिसेंडिंग में सिर्फ 2 और 1 ही आ रहा है। तो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव रिसीव इन द आउटपुट। और यहाँ पे कहीं कुछ डुप्लीकेट्स है क्या, लेट्स चेक दैट आउट। यहाँ पे तो नहीं होना चाहिए डुप्लीकेट। अगर मैं ऑर्डर बाय प्रोडक्ट आईडी करूँ तो लेट्स चेक, ऑर्डर बाय प्रोडक्ट आईडी करके कुछ डुप्लीकेट्स है क्या। नहीं है डुप्लीकेट्स तो शो नहीं हो रहा है फिलहाल के लिए। Write a query to find order ID where there is only one product bought by the customer. This is the thing. लेकिन हमने जो आउटपुट फाइंड आउट किया ये भी सही हो सकता है यार, बात तो सही है। दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी अ करेक्ट थिंग, क्योंकि हर ऑर्डर आईडी का एक प्रोडक्ट इसमें भी है, तो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी अ करेक्ट थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट। हम लोग जो फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे उसमें हमें आउटपुट मिल रहा था पूरे लिस्ट में, मतलब पूरे जो अपने पास 992 रोज है, पूरे लिस्ट में किस कस्टमर ने पूरे लाइफ टाइम में एक ऑर्डर किया है और उस एक ऑर्डर में से एक ही प्रोडक्ट निकला है। दैट इज ऑल्सो अ राइट आंसर, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ करेक्ट आंसर टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि इसमें भी वही शोकेस हो रहा है, लाइक एक प्रोडक्ट में मतलब एक प्रोडक्ट और एक ऑर्डर आईडी, राइट, दिस इज द थिंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ करेक्ट थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट। काउंट ऑफ ऑर्डर आईडी, एक मिनट, अगर मैं स्ट्रिंग एग्रीगेट करूं, लेट्स चेक दिस आउट। स्ट्रिंग एग्रीगेट दिस, लेट्स स्ट्रिंग एग्रीगेट प्रोडक्ट आईडी, कस्टमर आईडी हटाते हैं, कस्टमर आईडी को रिमूव करते हैं, जस्ट टू सी द स्ट्रिंग एग्रीगेट, कितने प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या ऑर्डर्स हैं। नहीं छोड़ो, वो अलग हो जाएगा। बट एनीवेज आपने जो बोला दैट इज़ ऑल्सो करेक्ट थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इसके बारे में मैं सोचा नहीं था। बट दिस इज ऑल्सो अ करेक्ट थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट भाई. असेंडिंग हटाओ और लिखो. मतलब हर कस्टमर आईडी अगर आप देखो, हर कस्टमर आईडी, हर कस्टमर, एक कस्टमर ने सपोज आज 3 तारीख है, 3 तारीख उसने एक प्रोडक्ट खरीदा एक ऑर्डर काउंट में. लेट मी राइट द ऑर्डर आईडी एज वेल. लेट मी राइट द ऑर्डर आईडी एज वेल. ठीक है, अभी लेट्स डू अ क्रॉस चेक. नहीं, यहाँ पे शोकेस कर रहा है एक चीज़. ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखो, आई थिंक जो आपने रिक्वायरमेंट बोला है, यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग क्रॉस चेक करें तो प्रोडक्ट आईडी तो अलग है, ठीक है, बट ऑर्डर आईडी सेम है, राइट. हम लोग को क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, एक ऑर्डर में एक प्रोडक्ट रहना चाहिए. सो ये आप एक बार क्रॉस चेक करोगे अगर ऑर्डर आईडीज लिख के, तो आपको एक चीज़ मालूम चलेगा कि यहाँ पे गलत हो रहा है सॉल्यूशन, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे हमने फर्स्ट टाइम में क्या फाइंड आउट किया था, यहाँ 1-1 शोकेस किया था, ठीक है. प्रोडक्ट आईडी कस्टमर आईडी 1, ऑर्डर काउंट 1, प्रोडक्ट आईडी कस्टमर आईडी 1. बट अगर हम लोग यहाँ देखें ऑर्डर आईडी देके तो गलत हो रहा है आंसर. मतलब आपका आंसर गोइंग टू अ रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन, बिकॉज यहाँ पे देखो ऑर्डर आईडी मैच कर रहा है, मतलब सेम ऑर्डर आईडी में सेम प्रोडक्ट, राइट. दिस इज द इशू, है कि नहीं. सो द पहला सॉल्यूशन जो था दैट वाज करेक्ट. हम लोग ने क्या फाइंड आउट किया था, कस्टमर के हिसाब से, कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कितने ऑर्डर्स हैं और उस ऑर्डर्स में कितने प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. तो फर्स्ट आंसर वाज करेक्ट, बिकॉज इफ़ वी डू अ क्रॉस चेक हियर, अगर हम लोग क्रॉस चेक करें वापस ऑर्डर आईडी दे के, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि ऑर्डर आईडीज रिपीट हो रहे हैं, विच इज़ एक्चुअली रॉन्ग. क्योंकि हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, कस्टमर आईडी एक ऑर्डर आईडी है और उस एक ऑर्डर आईडी में एक प्रोडक्ट है. बट अगर हम इस चीज़ को देखें, कस्टमर आईडी क्या है 10315, ऑर्डर आईडीज क्या है 2 और प्रोडक्ट एक एक है, विच इज़ रॉन्ग, विच इज़ एक्चुअली टोटल. अगर मैं बोलूँ इस ऑर्डर आईडी में 103982, इस ऑर्डर आईडी में हमारे पास 2 प्रोडक्ट आ जाएगा. सो जो पहला वाला सॉल्यूशन था दैट इज़ करेक्ट, ठीक है. दैट वन इज़ द करेक्ट वन. इसलिए मैं क्रॉस चेक कर रहा था विथ इंडिविजुअल कस्टमर आईडी कि क्या वो कस्टमर ने एक्चुअली में एक ऑर्डर आईडी में एक प्रोडक्ट रखा है कि नहीं, ठीक है. दैट्स द थिंग, दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई आई हैव डन अ क्रॉस चेक, ठीक है. सो ये सब चीज़ थोड़ा ध्यान देना, क्रॉस चेक हमेशा करना, ठीक है. इसलिए मैं इसमें क्रॉस चेक किया था क्योंकि मुझे भी डाउट था कि सही जा रहा है कि गलत जा रहा है, राइट. So that's the thing. So let's move to the first answer. Select. क्या था, हम लोग क्या चेक करना था, कस्टमर आईडी, काउंट ऑफ ऑर्डर आईडी, from 7-Eleven store, group by customer ID. Let's see. Right. Order by count of ऑर्डर आईडी, ठीक है. That's the thing. This is how we got the output. Right? I hope we have got the solution for this. और किसी को कुछ डाउट्स वगैरह पूछना हो इस क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड, सो दे कैन आस्क योर डाउट्स. लेट्स चेक दिस. यहाँ पे दो ऑर्डर्स आ रहे हैं. ऑर्डर आईडी सेम है, प्रोडक्ट आईडी अलग अलग है. करेक्ट. क्वांटिटी. चलो ठीक है. करेक्ट. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग कि आपने अलग तरीके से सोचा. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अलग तरीके से सोचना भी ज़रूरी है. एटलीस्ट आप लोग सोच रहे हो, यू आर गिविंग एन एफर्ट फ्रॉम योर ओन साइड, सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. तो किसी को और कुछ डाउट्स वगैरह पूछना हो तो दे कैन आस्क योर डाउट्स. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock right now. Let's close the live stream right now and let's start a new live stream tomorrow. So thank you everyone for joining my live stream and asking your doubts. Thank you for that. So let's close the live stream here and let's start a new live stream tomorrow, and please join in tomorrow live stream and ask your doubts related to any of the topic. ठीक है. ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन. देखो सर, एक प्रोडक्ट आईडी एक प्रोडक्ट. हाँ ठीक है. करेक्ट. करेक्ट. हम या कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू आप पूछ सकते हो, कुछ डाउट इसमें है तो. वन प्रोडक्ट आईडी वन प्रोडक्ट. करेक्ट. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. और एक ऑर्डर आईडी एक ऑर्डर. एक ऑर्डर आईडी एक ऑर्डर. इस तरीके से आई मीन टू से, देखो इस तरीके से अगर आप समझो, इट्स लाइक दैट. एक ऑर्डर आईडी में 3 प्रोडक्ट भी हो सकते हैं. तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया, इस तरीके से. चेक दिस आउट. अगर आप एक्सेल में लिखोगे, इसलिए मैंने इसको एक्सेल वे में लिखा ताकि आप लोग को और इजीली समझ में आए. एक्सेल में लिखोगे तो कैसे आएगा, सेम ऑर्डर आईडी 3 बार रिपीट होगा क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट अलग अलग है. ठीक है. आई होप यू गॉट दिस. फिर भी आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो क्वेश्चन को. एक प्रोडक्ट आईडी एक प्रोडक्ट और एक ऑर्डर आईडी एक ऑर्डर. ऐसा नहीं है, एक ऑर्डर आईडी 2 ऑर्डर भी हो सकता है. लाइक दिस. एक ऑर्डर आईडी 3 प्रोडक्ट भी हो सकता है. राइट. लेकिन हमने जो यहाँ किया है, हमने हर कस्टमर में जितने भी ऑर्डर्स हैं, 1 मिनट में आपको शोकेस करता हूँ. सपोज लाइक दिस. अब मैं आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा और क्लियर दिखाता हूँ. ऑर्डर बाय कस्टमर आईडी. ठीक है. अब यहाँ देखो क्लियरिटी. अब यहाँ देखो, हर कस्टमर आईडी के इतने प्रोडक्ट्स शोकेस कर रहे हैं, इतने ऑर्डर आईडी शोकेस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. इसका मतलब क्या है, अगर एक कस्टमर का 3 ऑर्डर आईडी शोकेस किया है तो ये यही सिनेरियो को कवर अप कर रहा है. ठीक है. मतलब कि अगर इस तरीके का सिनेरियो कवर अप कर रहा है, लाइक कस्टमर 01 कस्टमर 01 कस्टमर 01. ठीक है. इनका क्या आएगा, ऑर्डर 01 ऑर्डर 01 ऑर्डर 01. अगर आप एक्सेल में लिखते हो तो देन प्रोडक्ट आईडी एक. ठीक है. इस तरीके से. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं अब क्या कर रहा हूँ, कस्टमर आईडी के हिसाब से मैं काउंट कर ले रहा हूँ कितने ऑर्डर्स हैं। अगर एक कस्टमर आईडी का 3 ऑर्डर है, 3 टाइम्स सेम ऑर्डर आईडी रिपीट किया गया है, इसका मतलब ऑब्वियसली 3 प्रोडक्ट होंगे, तभी 3 बार ऑर्डर आईडीज आए, तो ये कवर है, मतलब यही कॉन्सेप्ट है बैकग्राउंड में, राइट। इसलिए मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बोला कि अगर आप एक्सेल में लिखोगे तो कैसे दिखेगा आउटपुट, इट इज़ लाइक दैट। ठीक, सपोज आपने आपने 3 प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया ब्लिंकिट से, और आपका डेटा एक्सेल में जाता है, तो ये इस तरीके से शोकेस करेगा, राइट। कस्टमर आईडी 1, ऑर्डर आईडी 1, क्योंकि एक ही ऑर्डर में आपने 3 प्रोडक्ट मंगाया है, राइट। जो डिलीवरी बॉय आएगा वो एक ही बैगेज में 3 प्रोडक्ट लेके आएगा, राइट। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट। और उस बैगेज का अगर आप ऑर्डर आईडी देखोगे वो 1 ही होगा, एक ही ऑर्डर आईडी होगा, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट 3 अलग अलग होंगे, ठीक है। इट इज़ लाइक दैट, ठीक। इसलिए मैंने एक्सेल में बोला आपको, लाइक एक्सेल में चेक करो, ठीक है। ओके, वी हैव वन क्वेरी। हाँ समझ गया सर, वो प्रोडक्ट के वजह से कंफ्यूज हो रहा था, पर ऑर्डर आईडी के काउंट पर फोकस करना है, प्रोडक्ट का नहीं, राइट। एक काम करते हैं हम लोग, और एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, लेट्स डू इट। हम लोग अभी प्रोडक्ट आईडी काउंट करते हैं, ठीक है। लेट्स काउंट दैट, एक बार एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। अभी अगर मैं ऐसे करूं तो मेरे पास अब 5 डेटा आ रहा है, ठीक है। 5 डेटा आ रहा है विथ 1 ऑर्डर काउंट, ठीक है। अब सेम चीज़ हम लोग करते हैं विथ प्रोडक्ट आईडी, लेट्स सी, क्योंकि मैंने भी ट्राई नहीं किया इसलिए बोलूँ। लेट्स चेक दैट आउट, देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है, बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट आईडी, प्रोडक्ट आईडी, लेट्स चेक इट, क्योंकि मैंने भी चेक नहीं किया। लेट्स सी कि सही आ रहा है कि नहीं। ओके, उसमें भी देखो सेम आ रहा है। आप किसी को भी काउंट करो, यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर, ठीक है, राइट। आप अगर हाँ, बट यही है कि आपको ओनली एक चीज काउंट करना पड़ेगा, राइट। लेट मी शो यू दैट। लेट्स चेक। अब देखो, अब आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर आईडीज, नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, आई होप अभी आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा। तो कन्फ्यूजन हटाना है तो कोई भी एक चीज़ काउंट करो, या तो देखो, अगर इसमें मैं बोलूँ कोई भी एक चीज़ काउंट करो, या तो ऑर्डर काउंट करो, अगर 3 बार ऑर्डर आईडीज आ रहा है तो ठीक है, CX1 इक्वल टू 3 ऑर्डर आईडीज। अगर आप प्रोडक्ट वाइज भी काउंट कर रहे हो तो CX1 इक्वल टू 3 प्रोडक्ट आईडीज, कोई भी एक काउंट करो, यू विल गेट द आउटपुट, क्योंकि दोनों में देखो सेम आउटपुट अपने पास आ रहा है। या तो मैं अगर प्रोडक्ट आईडी काउंट करूं तो भी सेम आउटपुट आ रहा है, RE19405, लेट अस चेक दैट एज वेल, RE19405, ठीक है, समझे। कोई भी एक चीज़ काउंट करो तो कन्फ्यूजन हट जाएगा, राइट। बट मैं रेकमेंड करूँगा कि प्रोडक्ट आईडी काउंट, मतलब सॉरी, ऑर्डर आईडी काउंट करने, ऑर्डर आईडी काउंट करोगे तो बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि ऑर्डर आईडी यूनिक रहता है, प्रोडक्ट आईडी भी यूनिक रहता है, बट ऑर्डर आईडीज यूनिक रहते हैं, क्योंकि एक पैकेज में एक बिल लगता है और एक बिल का एक ऑर्डर आईडी लगता है, दैट्स इट, दैट्स द थिंग। या तो बिल आईडी समझ जाओ, सेम चीज़ है, ऑर्डर आईडी हो या बिल आईडी हो, एक ही बिल लाएगा, राइट। तो इसको या तो आप ऑर्डर आईडी समझो या तो बिल आईडी समझो। और मैं ये रेकमेंड करूँगा कि आप जब भी काउंट करते हो, जो यूनिक वाले चीज़ होते हैं, जैसे कि ऑर्डर आईडी या तो बिल आईडी, वो यूनिक रहता है, उसी को ही आप काउंट करो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, मतलब एरर शोकेस नहीं करेगा, ठीक है। दैट्स द थिंग। सो दैट्स, आई होप आपको समझ में आया विश्वजीत। लाइक अगर आपको और भी डीप डाइव समझना है तो यू कैन आस्क, मैं आपको समझाऊंगा और अच्छे से, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस टॉपिक। सो लेट्स सी, डू वी हैव एनी मोर डाउट्स? बस चेक करता हूँ मेरा ये सही है कि नहीं. Let's see. Do we have any queries? ओके, वी हैव वन क्वेरी. एक बार यूनिक की, फॉरेन की, प्राइमरी की मैं बताऊँ, ठीक है. प्राइमरी की, राइट. प्राइमरी की क्या होता है, जब आप क्रिएट टेबल में, ये सब जो चीज़ है ये सब क्रिएट टेबल, इंसर्ट इनटू में यूज़ होता है ज़्यादातर. यूनिक की, प्राइमरी की एंड ऑल. अगर आप प्राइमरी की देते हो क्रिएट मतलब क्रिएट टेबल वाले क्वेरी में, तो क्या होगा, ये यूनिक आइडेंटिटी कवर अप करेगा, राइट. यूनिक आइडेंटिटी, जैसे आपका मेल आईडी, आपका क्या बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, फ़ोन नंबर, मेल आईडी, ये सब चीज़ यूनिक रहता है. तो प्राइमरी की जब आप लिखोगे, सपोज क्रिएट टेबल आपने दिया आईडी प्राइमरी की, तब क्या होगा, ये आईडी में जो भी आईडीज आएंगे वो सब यूनिक रहेंगे, भले ही नाम सेम हो. जैसे कि शुभम 3 बार भी आ गया तो भी अलग अलग आईडीज से आएंगे, ठीक है. दिस इज प्राइमरी की, राइट. यूनिक, उसके बाद क्या है, यूनिक की. यूनिक की कैसे समझो, यूनिक की क्या होता है, जो भी कॉलम में, मतलब जो भी आप क्रिएट टेबल में, आप किसी भी कॉलम में, सपोज आप प्रोडक्ट नेम, आप एक टेबल क्रिएट कर रहे हो प्रोडक्ट का, ठीक है. आप उसमें दो चीज़ डालोगे, प्रोडक्ट नेम, प्रोडक्ट आईडी, ठीक है. तो अगर आप प्रोडक्ट नेम वेरिएबल कैरेक्टर दे दिए और प्रोडक्ट आईडी इंटीजर यूनिक दे दिए, इसका मतलब क्या है, हर प्रोडक्ट नेम का एक यूनिक कोड होगा, ठीक है. जैसे पेन हो गया, सपोज ब्लैक पेन का 1, ब्लू पेन का 2, इस तरीके से. अगर अगर और एक आप ब्लू पेन ऐड करते हो इसमें, और इस पे आप 2 ऐड करते हो, तो वो सीक्वल इसको इंसर्ट नहीं करेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ऑलरेडी जो 2 है, जो प्रोडक्ट आईडी 2 है, वो ऑलरेडी ब्लू पेन को हमने दे दिया. नॉट ब्लू पेन, लेट्स टेक दिस एज ग्रीन पेन. सपोज आप इंसर्ट में ग्रीन पेन दे रहे हो और आप भूल गए हो, सपोज आप भूल गए हो कि आप प्रोडक्ट आईडी 2 किसी को दिए थे. आप क्या करोगे, इंसर्ट में आप ग्रीन पेन में अगर 2 देते हो वापस से, सीक्वल आपको क्या बोलेगा कि नहीं, प्रोडक्ट आईडी में यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट लगा हुआ है, और यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट लगा हुआ है जिसके कारण आप सेम प्रोडक्ट आईडी वापस से नहीं दे सकते. ये सब क्यों कंस्ट्रेंट है, एक चीज़ बता दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि हम लोग क्या है, ह्यूमन एरर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. ह्यूमन एरर मतलब सपोज आज 3 तारीख है, आज 3 तारीख क्या हुआ, 2 पेन का डेटा हमने इंसर्ट किया, एक ब्लू और एक ब्लैक पेन, ठीक है. और हमने क्रिएट टेबल में प्रोडक्ट आईडी में इंटीजर दिया है, यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं दिया है. अब क्या होगा, देखो, यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं दिया हुआ है. ब्लू पेन में आपने 1 लिखा, ब्लैक पेन में 2. आप अपना लैपटॉप बंद किए, यू वेंट टू योर होम, फिर सपोज 4 तारीख 5 तारीख हॉलीडे, 6 तारीख आप आते हो और वापस से डेटा इन करते हो, ठीक है. फिर आप लिखोगे ग्रीन पेन और आप भूल जाते हो कि यार मैं 2 दिया था क्या, मतलब यू विल बी लाइक कि आपको याद नहीं होगा, बिकॉज सी 2 दिन का गैप हो गया, आप लैपटॉप नहीं ओपन किए, एनीथिंग कैन बी द रीज़न. तो आपको याद नहीं होगा कि यार मैं 1 और 2, मतलब 1 तो दिया था, आपको याद है, आपने 2 दिया था क्या, आपको याद नहीं होगा. फिर आप क्या करोगे, ग्रीन पेन को भी 2 दे दोगे एज अ प्रोडक्ट आईडी. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, ह्यूमन एरर. तो उस ह्यूमन एरर को रोकने के लिए एक काइंड ऑफ ऑटोमेशन, काइंड ऑफ चीज़ को इन्वेंट किया गया है सीक्वल में। इसमें सीक्वल को क्या टास्क दिया गया है कि देखो आप प्रोडक्ट आईडी जो है हमेशा यूनिक ही रखना, ठीक है, यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट। तो सीक्वल क्या करेगा, सीक्वल ऑटोमेटिकली क्या करेगा, जो प्रोडक्ट आईडी का कॉलम है, जो भी डेटा है प्रोडक्ट आईडी में, वो यूनिक ही रखेगा। अब देखो, अब आप इंसर्ट मतलब क्रिएट टेबल में प्रोडक्ट आईडी में यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट रख दिए। अब सेम सिनेरियो समझते हैं। 3 तारीख आपने ब्लू पेन में 1 दिया, ब्लैक पेन में 2 दिया एज अ प्रोडक्ट आईडी। फिर आप छुट्टी में चले गए, 2 दिन हॉलीडे, आप रिटर्न आते हो और फिर आप इंसर्ट इनटू में ग्रीन पेन इंसर्ट करते हो और देन यू फॉरगेट कि मैं प्रोडक्ट आईडी 2 दिया था कि नहीं। अब क्या करते हो, ठीक है, इंसर्ट इनटू ग्रीन पेन और प्रोडक्ट आईडी 2 वापस देते हो। और जब आप एग्जीक्यूट करते हो, सीक्वल बोलता है कि नहीं, 2 जो डेटा है वो ऑलरेडी यूज्ड है, ऑलरेडी यूज़ किया गया है। किस में यूज़ किया गया वो बताएगा नहीं सीक्वल। सीक्वल बस इतना बताएगा कि प्रोडक्ट आईडी जो आप 2 इंसर्ट कर रहे हो फॉर द ग्रीन पेन और फॉर द थर्ड रो, वो ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर लिया गया है। और जबकि ऑलरेडी यूज़ किया गया है, वो यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट के रूल्स को फॉलो नहीं करता है, जिसके कारण सीक्वल आपको अलाउ नहीं करेगा ये डेटा इंसर्ट करने के लिए। तो एक तरीके का जो ह्यूमन एरर होने वाला था, जो कि यहाँ पे हो गया था ह्यूमन एरर, क्योंकि हमने यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं लगाया था, वो जो होने वाला था वो सीक्वल रोक देता है। तो इसीलिए ये सब कंस्ट्रेंट बनाया गया है। सेम चीज़ प्राइमरी की के लिए भी रहता है। एनी हाउ प्राइमरी की ऑटोमेटिकली आपको रो वाइज काउंट दे देता है। आप जब प्राइमरी की कंस्ट्रेंट लिखते हो और सीरियल लिखते हो, तो जो भी आप डेटा इंसर्ट करते हो वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक सीरीज़ में डेटा इनपुट करते जाते हैं, ठीक है। सो अभी आप समझे प्राइमरी की और यूनिक की क्या है और उसका यूज़ क्या है। और तीसरा चीज़ क्या है, फॉरेन की। तो फॉरेन की कैसे समझाऊँ, ओके, फॉरेन की के लिए हमको 2 टेबल लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। सपोज वही प्रोडक्ट टेबल ही लेते हैं, ठीक है। प्रोडक्ट टेबल में आपने क्या लिखा, आपके पास 3 डेटा है, ब्लू पेन, ब्लैक पेन, ग्रीन पेन, ठीक है। ब्लू पेन का 1, 2 और 3, ये 3 प्रोडक्ट आईडी है, ठीक है। ये 3 प्रोडक्ट आईडी है, ये एक टेबल है, टेबल 1। अब देखो, अब क्या होता है, आप कस्टमर हो, आपने ब्लिंकिट से क्या ऑर्डर किया, आपने ब्लिंकिट से ऑर्डर किया 2 पेन आपने ऑर्डर किया, एक ब्लू पेन और एक ग्रीन पेन, ठीक है। तो अब क्या होगा, जो ऑर्डर वाला टेबल होता है, देखो विश्वजीत यहाँ पे समझो बात को, वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी क्रिएट टेबल में लिखा गया है कि जो भी प्रोडक्ट आईडी आएगा ऑटोमेटिकली, जब कस्टमर कुछ ऑर्डर करेगा और प्रोडक्ट आईडी आएगा, वो प्रोडक्ट आईडी आप इसी टेबल से ही लेना, प्रोडक्ट टेबल से। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फॉरेन की का एक कंस्ट्रेंट बनाएंगे और उसमें हम लोग बोलेंगे कि रेफरेंस टेबल प्रोडक्ट होगा और जो डेटा है वो प्रोडक्ट आईडी का होगा। तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या करेगा, ब्लू पेन का 1 दे देगा, ग्रीन पेन का 3। आपको अलग से डेटा इंसर्ट नहीं करना पड़ेगा। क्यों नहीं करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपने ऑटोमेटिकली सीक्वल को बोला है कि देखो यहाँ पे जो भी कस्टमर ऑर्डर करेगा, एक काम करना, उसका जो प्रोडक्ट आईडी है वो उसका रेफरेंस आप प्रोडक्ट टेबल से ले लेना और यहाँ पे इनपुट कर देना। तो वो काम करता है फॉरेन की का, ठीक है। तो आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा विश्वजीत तीनों का यूज़। क्योंकि देखो अब यहाँ पे भी ह्यूमन एरर हो सकता है। अब अगर यहाँ पे ब्लू पेन में 1 लिख दिया, ग्रीन पेन में सपोज 4 लिख दिया, फिर जब आप क्रॉस चेक करोगे एंड ऑफ द डे कि कितना सामान था और कितना सामान गया, तो आप देखोगे कि यार ग्रीन पेन का तो 3 है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ग्रीन पेन किसी ने 4 इंसर्ट किया हुआ है। तो वो सारे ह्यूमन एरर को रोकने के लिए आपको ये सारे कंस्ट्रेंट दिए गए। तो दिस इज द थिंग। हाय निवेदिता, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाय निवेदिता, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। Are you a student? Actually, I am working for a freelance client right now, and this YouTube means related to YouTube. I am just clearing out doubts, and we do assignments in YouTube live stream. So I am a freelance gig right now. Earlier I was working for corporate sector. So uh, no, I am not a student, and I am not a teacher as well. I am just here to clear everyone doubts. That's it. विश्वजीत, वी हैव वन क्वेरी. फॉरेन की प्राइमरी की पे डिपेंड करता है और प्राइमरी की डायमेंशन टेबल में होता है, राइट? देखो, फॉरेन की जो है, फॉरेन की मैं एफ के लिख रहा हूँ. फॉरेन की जो है दोनों पे डिपेंड करता है, प्राइमरी की और यूनिक की. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों ही यूनिक है. तो फॉरेन की हमेशा यूनिक वाले डेटा पे कवर करता है, और ये दोनों पे कवर करता है. प्राइमरी जो आपने लिखा है दैट इज करेक्ट. फॉरेन की प्राइमरी की पे डिपेंड करता है और यूनिक की पे भी डिपेंड करता है, ठीक है? तो अगर फॉरेन की पे आपको रेफरेंस देना है किसी पे, मेक श्योर करना वो कॉलम पे ये दो कंस्ट्रेंट लगे रहे, या तो प्राइमरी की कंस्ट्रेंट या तो यूनिक की कंस्ट्रेंट. क्यों? क्योंकि एनी हाउ आपको फॉरेन की में रेफरेंस देना पड़ेगा टेबल का, और कॉलम का भी रेफरेंस देना पड़ेगा. और सीक्वल चेक करता है क्या वो कॉलम पे प्राइमरी की यूनिक की है कि नहीं, वो सब चेक करता है. सो यू आर करेक्ट, ठीक है? दैट इज द थिंग. ठीक, ओके. प्राइमरी की डायमेंशन टेबल. अच्छा, अगर आप फैक्ट और डायमेंशन मतलब पावर बीआई में चलते हो तो डायमेंशन टेबल में रहता है यूनिक डिटेल्स. तो यू आर करेक्ट, क्योंकि पावर बीआई में जाओगे तो इस टाइप से रहेगा, फैक्ट टेबल बीच में रहेगा, इस टाइप से डायमेंशन टेबल्स कवर अप होगा. ठीक, जैसे फैक्ट टेबल में क्या होगा, आपका ऑर्डर वाला टेबल जहाँ पे कस्टमर ने ऑर्डर किया वो कनेक्ट होगा प्रोडक्ट वाले टेबल में. प्रोडक्ट टेबल में सब यूनिक आईडीज रहेंगे. एंड यू आर करेक्ट विश्वजीत, यू आर करेक्ट, राइट. जो यूनिक वाले चीज़ हैं वो डायमेंशन टेबल में रहेंगे, और जो कलेक्टिव डेटा है जिसको हम लोग फैक्ट टेबल बोलते हैं वो बीच में रहेगा. सो यू आर करेक्ट विश्वजीत, करेक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Okay, hi, welcome to live stream. So we have my friends are mostly placed, and I am little bit nervous. What will happen after June 26? Will I be accepted as fresher? But I have more skills than them. Can you guide? Let me tell you one thing. Right now they might be, I mean to say, hired by some of the other company. That doesn't mean like you will not get hired, you will also get hired. It is about matter of time, ठीक है? It is all about matter of time. Suppose your time is around May 2026, your time is like you will get hired in a good company. So that's the thing, it is all about matter of time, right? It is not like they have won the race or you have lost the race. No, it is not like that. Let me tell you one thing, let me tell you my story. The guy, I'm like in Amazon layoff right now, the Amazon layoff were going on, right? 16,500 people had been laid off. ठीक है? One of my colleague who was my PG mate, he was working in Amazon earlier than me, ठीक है? And he was earning good CTC, let me tell you, ठीक है? I have joined him after 1 year, and if I tell you about his story, that guy's story, he had been laid off in this recent Amazon layoff cycle. So you never know like what will happen in near future, and there is no race going on in this career field, let me tell you that. So no need to worry about. Whenever your time, like whatever time it is written by God, like you will get placed in May 2026, it is like that, you will get placed in May 2026. So no need to worry about, no need to take tension. You might take tension कि यार वो लोग रेस जीत गए, they have won the race, they have got a good job placement. Don't worry, don't worry. Maybe tomorrow you get a good, better job placement than them. ठीक है कि नहीं? So no need to worry about. Chill, chill. Same thing happened with us as well. Most of our students had not placed when I was in college. 2013 2017 batch, in I was in this batch. ठीक है, let me tell you a story. A guy has not placed by 2017. 2018 he got placed in Accenture. ठीक है, 2018. By this 1 year most of the candidates have started earning well. They have started their foreign trips. Someone has bought bike, someone has bought their mobile phones. He was also stressed like that कि यार मेरा भी placement नहीं हुआ है. I was not placed till date. It has been 1 year. What will happen? In 2018 he got placed in Wipro. ठीक है. In 2019 he went to Singapore by Wipro. ठीक है. Till date, till 2026 he is in Singapore. He is working in Wipro in Singapore. Let me tell you that. ठीक है. So good things are there for you. No need to worry about. He was same nervous like you. He was like yaar, everybody has got placed in Accenture, everybody is earning, everybody is buying a good bike and good mobile phones, they are having foreign trips. But see, after 1 year, who is successful right now? Who is successful? Tell that. This guy, obviously this guy. He is in Singapore, he is earning in Singapore dollars. Let me tell you. ठीक है. This guy is earning more right now. If you check that out, he is having his own new means every year he buy new iPhone. He have good environment, good air to breathe, and he is living a good life. है कि नहीं? So just chill, just chill. You might be having some good company to get placed. So no need to worry about bhai. No need to worry about. Hey, hi Sujay, welcome to live stream. Hi Sujay, welcome to live stream. So okay, we have one query from विश्वजीत. थैंक यू सो मच एंड सॉरी, मतलब आप जाने वाले थे मेरे डाउट के वजह से इतना टाइम. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं यार. नो वरीज फॉर दैट. डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए ही हूँ. चिल. Okay, we have one more query, and most of them are like placed in mass hiring of Cognizant, Deloitte. On other side, data analysts, scientists won't get that much opportunity in mass hiring. Obviously, let me tell you one thing. DA, DS, you know their salary, right? You know their salary. It's like 8, 9 LPA kind of thing. And company won't give 8, 9 LPA to mass hiring kind of candidates. Mass hiring is done in non-technical thing, let me tell you. Non-technical thing. So just chill. DA, DS, DE is technical thing, and if you see the technical salary, it's huge. Means in one salary you will get 3 non-technical people working for you, right? So just chill, bhai, chill. No worries for that. You will also get placed. You will also get placed. No worries for that. They got 4.5 LPA. They okay. That's good. That's good. That's a good thing. 4.5 LPA. That's a good thing. But no worries for that. No worries for that. You have good company for you. They want to hire you. Maybe next month or something. Don't worry, right? Don't worry. आपका hiring हो जाएगा. You will be in a better place than them. Let me tell you that. So just chill. Chill. I have told you this story, right? And this is a true story. Let me tell you that. This is a true story. He is in Singapore right now. Let me tell you. And he is earning better than those people who have been selected in 2017. Because they are in India. And India, you know, the salary package, you know, everybody knows that. So see his life right now. Today, if you check out who is successful, this guy, right? He is earning better, he is in good place, and that too company like Wipro. It's like it's an Indian company, and Accenture, it's a foreign company, but still these people are working in, you know what, that's the thing. So no need to worry about, you might have good company for you to get hired, so just chill, chill. That's it is all about. And yeah, that's it. चलो ठीक है. Let's, okay, we have one more query. Thanks sir. Yeah, welcome bhai, welcome, welcome, welcome. So okay, let's close the live stream right now. Okay, hi Parth, welcome to live stream. Oops, sorry. वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. मुझे 1.5 का वर्क एक्स है, कितना सैलरी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ? देखो, डिपेंड करता है. अभी वर्क एक्स है तो आप ज़्यादातर हाई लेवल स्टार्टअप कंपनीज में ज्वाइन करो, ठीक है. हाई लेवल स्टार्टअप कंपनीज में ज्वाइन, आई मीन वैकेंसी में अप्लाई करो और एमएनसीज में अप्लाई करो, ठीक है. कितना सैलरी आएगा? 1.5 ईयर्स में एक्सपेक्ट दिस 7 6 7 LPA इन स्टार्टअप कंपनीज. एमएनसीज में 7 7.58, ठीक है. इतना एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग वर्क एक्स. और 2 ईयर्स का ही मानो वर्क एक्स, ठीक है. और 2 साल के वर्क एक्स में 6 7 LPA स्टार्टअप कंपनीज, हाई लेवल स्टार्टअप कंपनीज, नॉट द मतलब जिसको बोलते हैं ना बेबी स्टार्टअप कंपनीज जो अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है, नॉट दैट. मिड एंड हाई लेवल अलग होता है. एंड यू कैन गो फॉर MNCs विथ 7 8, ठीक. Okay, we have one query. How can I find DS analyst hiring, which company hiring and all? See, related to freshers, I would say always go for startup companies, bhai. Always go for startup companies. See whatever startup companies are there who is hiring for data scientist, you go and apply, because MNCs vacancies are mostly covered in IJP system, internal job posting. That's why startup companies, due to low employee count, they are bound to give their vacancy in public platform. So chances are more that startup companies will hire you as a DS or a DA or a DE, and for that you need to search in metro cities like Bangalore, Pune, Kolkata. In those metro cities, you can just check the startup companies and check out the vacancies. ओके पार्थ, पढ़ रहा था, थोड़ा लेट हो गया ज्वाइन करने में. अरे कोई बात नहीं भाई, नो वरीज. ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी. कैन आई सेंड माई रेज्यूमे ऑन टेलीग्राम, कैन यू रिव्यू इट? एक्चुअली टेलीग्राम वाला इशू चल रहा है, so it is better to send me in the mail ID, and this is my mail ID. I have sent you the mail ID. Just send me the what we say, resume or CV in the mail ID. I will help you out in that, ठीक है. And please expect a delay from my side, because due to work, max by Saturday and Sunday I will reply you, ठीक है. So send in mail, because in Telegram the chat group, I don't know why they have terminated my chat group. They are saying spam and all those stuffs. I don't know why. That's why mail ID is there. So you can send a mail in this mail ID, and I will help you out related to the reviewing part of your CV and resume. So just chill, okay. So that's okay. So let's close the live stream right now, and thank you everyone for joining the live stream, and good night. It's 10:30. So let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, happy querying, and good night. Chalo, bye bye.